Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear students, today topic many, few and equal. Open your book to page number 49. Today we will learn count the objects, write the numbers, use colors. Red for many, blue for few, green for equal. Are you ready, students? Let's start. First picture, red cubes. Dear students, on the left side, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 cubes. On the right side, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10. There are 10 cubes. Tell me students, which sides has more? 12 is more than 10. Dear students, 12 is many and 10 is few. 12 in red color and 10 in blue color. Very good, students. Dear students, second picture में देखिए apples. Now look at the apples. Left sides, let's count 1 to 15. There are 15 apples. Right side, let's count 1 to 16. There are 16 apples. Which is more? 16 is more than 15. So, 16 is many, right? 15 is few, blue. So, students, 16 in red color and 15 in blue color. Excellent. Dear students, now look at the third picture. Now look at the cupcakes. Left side, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 cupcakes. How many cupcakes? 6 cupcakes. Right side, count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 cupcakes. Are they same? Are they the same? Yes, both sides have 6. So, this is equal. 6 in green color, 6 in green color. Wonderful, students. Dear students, now it's time to revision. Repeat with me. Many means more, few means less, equal means same. Clap for yourself. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.